National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Robeson County in southeastern North Carolina, western Bladen County in southeastern North Carolina, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Barker 10 Mile, or 7 miles north of Lumberton, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damaged trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lumberton, Street, Pauls, Bladenboro, Smiths, Rex, Howellsville, Bladen Community College, Abbotsburg, Taylorsville, Dwarf, Butters, Hestertown, Robeson Community College, Tobermory, Ruskin, Barker 10 Mile, White Oak, Jerome, Rennert, and Dublin. This includes the following highways: Interstate 74 between mile markers 212 and 211, and mile marker 213 and near mile marker 214. Interstate 95 in North Carolina between mile markers 14 and 36. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following county: Bladen, North Carolina. The following is a heat advisory for the following counties in North Carolina: Bladen, Coastal Pender, and Inland Pender.